The Tovertafel is a projector that emits lights and sound. It also has infrared sensors that detect hand movements, so it transforms any surface into an interactive surface. It helps provide high quality of care for people living with dementia.
It made it a relatively easy decision for us to purchase the first one, and then over actually a fairly brief time to purchase 3 more of them because the response was so enthusiastic.
It's exciting to watch the different games on it, and it's exciting to watch the residents. You get to interact and play games with them, and everyone gets excited. It's a great impact on me watching my residents grow.
It's not a scheduled activity. The Tovertafel is on.
It's used almost like every hour. We only close that one during mealtime and at bedtime.
The investment that's made, it's come back tenfold. I'd say try it out. It's going to sell itself.